Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, hopefully my sound is okay. All right. Okay, just wanted to do a quick check. Now, for those who are here with me, appreciate if you can type a one for me at least, right? So that I know that you are here, and then of course to check my screen and sound whether everything is working or not. Okay, so today again, as usual, we're going to look into some of the stocks that we do talk about regularly in our Telegram or our live Facebook here. So we're going to look for new counter as well. Okay, of course, today I think actually I was expecting some taking profit taking, okay, from KLSE, but looks like this morning quite good lah. Mostly they are still trying to change the resistance. Now one of them actually is cut point. Okay, so cut point right now I think is everything is pretty good. Volume is very so-called high. Okay, in this morning over here, this is only the first trading hour. Okay, so hopefully it will continue to challenge the main resistance next. Okay, so again, before I proceed further, just want to do a quick disclaimer over here. In this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this video here today, make sure your own trading plan. All right, if not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so I think I have mentioned this several times. If let's say you are a beginner, if you want to you just started off want to do some trading or learning about technical analysis, okay, so do check out our XIFU apps over here. Okay, we have actually this build support resistance for you. Okay, again, this is to help you out to determine where is the so-called low risk area, okay, to look for entry opportunity. So I always refer to that to check out at least I didn't risk too much, okay, for a particular trades. Okay, so again, if you are here with me, thank you very much. I appreciate if you can type A for me so that I know, and then click the like buttons for me. Okay, so I think cut point is straightforward. Today break up already. Not to say break up lah, but they are trading above the current resistance. Okay, heading to the next one. Now, if for me, I think if let's say you have entered together with me somewhere around this level over here, I think you should be able to get a 10%, right? Around 10% kind of profits already. Okay, so for me, usually I will kind of like take partial profit because yesterday I think lots of them try hit resistance but they close lower, forming a shooting star like my Zanta, Panda. Okay, so those follow Panda need to careful. I think again not doing any buy and sell call, but personally for me, market is a bit too hot already. If you got a bit of money, not to say a bit of money, but if you got profits, why not lock some? Okay, again, that's my opinion. Okay, doesn't mean you cannot go up further. Hello, Grace. Thank you for joining me. So yeah, there's a quick one for Panda. So far, quick one for Cow Point. So far, so good. I kind of like that. Okay, Dufu also looks like it goes up, make a pullback. Now looks like today also forming another round of pullback. Okay, so yes, definitely worth to watch out. Now HM. Okay, so for those who follow HM, I think I mentioned a lot of time. This one requires some patience. But surprisingly, today, this morning over here, that now it's only the first 30 minutes. Okay, volume is extremely high. Okay, so hopefully continue to pumps. Okay, hopefully, like I said, momentum wise 1.3 and above. Okay, anything below 1.3, I still think that they're going to sideways wash. Okay, so that's going to happen. Okay, likely in this chart here. Okay, so MKHOP, I cannot review much because this is a new IPO stock, but looks like they are coming back as well. Okay, Notion. Okay, just do a quick one. Some of the stocks that we have. Okay, then I will look into your stock as well. Now, Notion is not bad. I think I mentioned previously also. Yesterday, actually, I taken some profit already. Panda, I taken some profit. Zanta, I taken some profit. Fiamma belum lah. Fiamma belum. Okay, so I got a little bit of capital right now. I might look into Notion. Okay, but of course, again, re-emphasize again. Okay, I think your risk to reward ratio is very important. That's why support is very important as well. At the moment, support is somewhere around here. Of course, you can use this as well, the previous resistance to support level, okay, to calculate. But right now, I don't think this one gave me a very good idea risk to reward ratio. Okay, so probably I would like to wait somewhere around here, 55 or 54 cents area. Okay, to look for my next opportunities. Okay, so that's what I plan to do. Okay, so well, yeah, Notion definitely worth to monitor and watch out. Okay, for me. And okay, yeah, Panda. Let's do Panda. Okay. Now, if you are in my Telegram yesterday, I say already, yeah, Panda shooting star high volume, and you should know what I mean. Okay, you should know what I mean. Again, I cannot come out and say, hey, sell, buy. Okay. Again, I'm not qualified to do so because I do have losses as well. Okay. So Panda, okay, this is again whenever you hit resistance, if you think your profit is okay, lock some. Okay, yesterday I managed to lock some. Okay, then after that it drops high volume. I feel not that comfortable. The rest I just exit. Okay, with a very small profit lah, but better than nothing. Okay, so again, Epicon, for those that who know Epicon, um, you know the lessons. Okay, I tried to see whether it can break up higher or not. In the end, it didn't. Close lower, I hold for my second round this round. I hold for 2 months, 3 months, but in the end, only a small profit. I think 1 or 2% profit. So wasted. Okay, so you don't want to waste that. So yep, Panda. I don't think I will be interested at the moment because I do see this high volume. Unless they make another shakeout, then we can come back to relook into it again. Okay. Any others? Okay, revenue are not that keen. Okay, UMS. I think yesterday we talked about UMS as well, and ENO. Okay, slightly closer to resistance, but volume is a bit big lah. Volume is a bit big. So maybe you hit R1 or maybe the next resistance again, it will drop a little bit before it breaks up. But overall, the setup is there already. Okay, for me, the setup is there. Maybe they want to try 1 or 2 round of resistance. Okay. So yeah, there's from some of the top volume, or this one looks like it must pull back gaps. Gaps a bit difficult to break. Okay, so yeah, nothing much from top volume. Okay, let's look into my comments here. I think hello Ruku. Okay, Ruku say Theta. I'll look into Theta, and I'll look into Tenaga. Okay. All right. So before I look into that, okay, again, just want to do a quick check on some of the stock that we have. Okay. All right. So I think just our Panda is already done already. Opstar. I want to look back into Opstar actually because breakup with news. Okay, now there are two type of news that I usually I will look into lah. MYEG. Okay, Roslan is fans of MYEG and MSM. Okay, Pekat, right? So MYEG yesterday, I think they continue to break up higher. Okay, going into the next resistance. Okay, so we gotta look into that. Okay, Opstar. Okay, now let's go into Opstar. I think Opstar I still pretty keen. Okay, now actually there are two types. Usually good news. Okay, of course, good news usually you push the stock market up lah. Okay, now doesn't mean what I say here is right. Okay, sometimes it might be wrong, but most of the time this is how I use good news. Okay, now good news usually if let's say it happened at the market top, right? Okay, I would tend to be more careful because most of the time it might be a potential distribution. Okay, just like what happened to VS Tech today. Okay, I think it also make a gap up after it got some good news yesterday. YTL also it goes up and another good news and they continue to jump up. But again, doesn't mean sometimes it will show a drop lah. Sometimes it still go up like YTL, they still continue goes up. Okay, VS Tech probably still will continue goes up. But usually I feel more comfortable whenever there is good news and the market just about to reverse from the bottom. Okay. Now, first of all, the reasons why because maybe this is a beginning of a trend that using this news here to push up. Okay, so later on, maybe a few months later, probably they still got another news to push the prices up. Okay, so there's reasons why I like to so-called look into, okay, where is the location whenever the news appear. Okay, so yeah, Opstar is another reasons why I want to follow very, very closely. Okay, so let's see here. YTL memang hot lah. YTL no need work everyday play style. Tak play lah. Work still need to lah. At least there's a fixed income. This one is like a bonus. Am I right? But of course, some of you I know you are doing this for full time. Okay, so if you you got your own method, yes. Hopefully one day I will also actually. Tommy, hello. Okay, thank you for joining me. Can review GDB and ENO. Sure, I will do that. Okay. GDB and ENO. Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Now, let's see VSTech. Okay, of course today the hottest topic in the Bursa today lah. After the news lah. So shoot up. Okay, now again shoot up. Careful lah. Shooting star high volume Very careful. But I think this one still can run a bit because they actually form something like this one. They form something like this one, reaccumulation. Like YTL lah. They form like a reaccumulation. Good news they shoot up. Okay, so now still can sustain. Okay, but again, if let's say got climatic volume, be extra careful. Be extra careful. Okay, now let me share with you this this is the one that I like to share with my members. Okay, especially like my previous member. Okay, support line I think you all know lah. Where's the news already? Hey. Wait, let me check. There's a happened few years ago. There's something happened few years ago, and Bloomberg actually covered the news for support one. Okay, I don't know how to check the news anyway, I forgot Okay, I forgot. Okay, now let's go back to this support line chart Now let me tell you what support line actually make a nice bull run. Okay, somewhere I think around like how many years ago? Can't recall. Many years ago. Okay, there was during this time many years ago. This is 2017 the time. Okay, when I just I think I started do stock market trading is around like this kind of timing also Okay, 2014, 2015 and this stock goes up crazily. Okay, very bullish. Okay, so what happened is that actually this support one is very close with my house. Okay, the time when I was staying there. I even don't know they are actually publicly listed. Okay, because when you look outside, it's like, okay, it's just a normal factory. I didn't know. I didn't aware of that. Then after that, it goes up until here. Then I start to notice already. Oh, this stock very bullish. Until one day, Bloomberg actually covered. Okay, this news. Okay, Bloomberg was saying that something about they are very bullish. Their profit, everything You can check I cannot check just now. Okay, maybe it's too old the news. So I think it's somewhere around here. Okay, I forgot somewhere around here, this high volume or somewhere around this area here. So after it happened with high volume, of course, price will still goes up. Okay, price will still goes up. Okay, but after that, drop badly. Okay, drop badly. Okay, now so sometimes this thing might happen. I'm not saying that VSTech and VTL will happen these things. Okay, but you need to be careful whether this thing will repeat or not. Okay, you need to be careful when this thing repeat or not. So whenever you see price continue to goes up, okay, supported with good news, okay, plus climatic volume, I put CV climatic volume. You need to be careful on sign of weakness, okay, which is here. Okay, so which means that probably someone is already start to distribute using good news. Okay, again, I'm not saying that it will happen in the two counters, but I'm just trying to share with you what happened previously when the counters goes up a period of time, suddenly pop a good news. Okay, suddenly pop a good news. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Of course, I think based on current chart setup, no weakness. Okay, for both counters. Okay, now if you understand what it means, type A for me, please. Okay, if you understand what it means by good news, location, what is the things to look for, type A for me. If you're a bit confused, type B. Okay, if you're a bit confused, type B. Okay, now there's a quick one. Let's look into some of the counters. Then I will look into some of my so-called trade signals as well. We whether got any others set up to look for. Okay, thank you, Ruku. Okay, now theta. Okay, theta. This bar must hold well. So this is what we call the support bar coming in or pullback bars coming in. So if you ask me, a bit similar like MSM, those type. Okay, of course here got some profit taking so expect a little bit of challenge to break up higher. But for me, as long as this candles or price is still holding above my S1, my support one, I think still okay. Okay, I think still okay. So far only Ruko understand. The rest understand or not? How to deal with all the good news, okay? So if you understand type A, if you don't understand type B, okay, let me know lah. Because I think it's very important how to so-called view certain good news. Okay, of course, good news will push a price up lah, but you don't treat it as like a long term, okay? Because some things might happen because people always want to sell at the top, and during good news is the time that it's easy to sell at the top. Okay, so there are things I to look into. Okay, Jennifer say B. Okay, don't worry. If let's say you're a bit confused, let me know type B. Okay, because from time to time, if I got example, I will share more. Okay, so theta so far okay for me. Above S1 should be fine. Okay, above S1 should be fine. Now Tenaga, I don't think I got things to comment about Tenaga. Like I said, this is my long-term stocks. I love it. Okay, but I took some profit already. Okay, around 30% because why it hits the main resistance. Okay, again, can go up or not? I think still possible. Why not? Okay, still possible. Why not? Because no any sign of weakness so far, but just that it hits the main resistance. Why I'm afraid is that maybe it will drop here like this, push. Okay, so maybe it's time for them to do another so-called consolidation in this area here. Okay, because they're hitting the main resistance right currently. So probably take some time. Okay, so that's why I think I locked some profit first. Okay, because I'm looking for long term for this, so I think, yeah, I just park it there first. Okay, if let's say break up, I'm happy because I still got. If let's say make a deep pullback, is fine. Later on, pullback can top up somewhere around 11 ringgits. Let's see how it goes. How actually the pullback form. If let's say it really form pullbacks, so maybe I can top up at 11 ringgits. Okay, so that's my plan currently. Okay, it goes up, I'm okay. It drop, I'm prepared to do some top up. Okay, with strength signal. Okay, with strength signal. Okay, I look into Tongnam Logistic. Okay, Tongnam Logistic, yep, going up with a very low volume. So some things that I actually monitored Tongnam Logistic for some time, but just that I don't feel very comfortable to share because the volume somehow is a bit illiquid at the time. Okay, let's look into MYG. Okay, definitely another hot counters. Okay, related counters like ECMO, Excel Force. I think even HD Padu also got some movement already. So yep, Rosta, if you ask me, my view is still the same. Okay, I still think that if I look into long-term time frame over here, shake out, heading to resistance is even closer right now. So maybe again, this is the main resistance here, this area over here. So probably this is a area you want to consider whether you want to lock some profit or not. Okay, so if you are long term, I think it's okay. Just that maybe sometimes hit here, we test back sideways before they push. Okay, it can happen also, right? So far so good. Long term setup for me, still fine. Today closer to resistance. Okay, again, it's up to you to decide whether you want to lock profits or not. Okay, so there's MYEG per cut. Okay, long time didn't check per cut. Ooh, I didn't aware per cut so strong. Wow. Okay. Now, Rosen, this one is apa macam? You want take profit or you want enter? Enter a bit risky lah, but I believe you are looking for exit, is it? Or you want to check the condition, everything is fine or not? Okay. So this one, too far lah. This one I enter also a bit takut lah. But if let's say I check daily chart, I don't think there is a weakness. Okay, let's go back to my daily. Yeah, no weakness so far. Okay, maybe the next resistance is somewhere around here. Yeah, around current R2 area lah. Maybe you want to focus this 80 cents around 80 cents area. So probably you want to focus that. Oh, just monitor. Okay, just monitor. Just monitor. Wow, risk to reward. Banyak no idea. A bit scary. Sometimes they did pull back. Did pull back also a lot lah. This one. Okay, a lot lah. If not, you use hourly lah. I'm not sure what is your plan short term ke, long term ke. But so far, no weakness. Just that expect a little bit of pullback might happen very soon. Okay, so there's okay. I will look into signature as well. So okay, now let's go into GDB. Let's go into GDB. Oh, yesterday GDB dropped with high volume. Oh, I think yesterday GDB got some news also, right? Am I right? Okay, because the day before it goes up with a nice pullback. I thought that wow, very nice. But GDB, all this one, I don't know why I didn't really want to follow on it. And then after that, it released some good news. Okay, but anyway, let's check the chart. Okay, chart wise, yes, they closed the gap. Okay, this is a strong gap, but this is I think last one that they closed successfully. Okay, so yes, long term trend I think is there, is good, but just that yesterday volume is a bit high. Yeah? I don't like. Okay, this one a bit similar to Panda Epic Corner. Okay, I don't like the goes up, hit resistance, drop, widespread candle, especially with high volume. Okay, normally this one will cause a deeper pullback. Okay, now who is one asking this? I'm not sure. But if you are looking for entry, I think you can wait around my S2 area or 40 MA area for low risk. Okay, if you want to take profit, again, not doing any buy and sell call, but for my Panda, for example, I really take profit. Okay, but if let's say this few days it forms sideways over here, okay, yeah, we still can look for opportunity to enter back again. Okay, because like I said, based on my observation, normally high volume down bar from resistance. First, it will make a big shakeout, so-called. Sometimes it will make distribution. Sometimes it will make a big shakeout. It will sideways for months. Okay, so that's why normally when I see, I don't really like that. Okay, again, Epicon is the same. I didn't check Epicon already. Unless they do a shakeout, then I will look into that again. Yeah, cow point. Okay, cow point, damn good. So yeah, this one okay. So this one also be extra careful on this kind of candle So I don't know. I still heard that this one still got chance. Again, I just heard that. Okay, but I would like to see maybe a deeper shakeout. Okay, deeper shakeout. Then only we'll see how. Okay. Previously I think deeper shakeout got some counters like Rojas. Is it Rojas? Yeah, this was still doing shakeout. Rojas, another one I forgot. Okay, I forgot. Never mind. Okay, let's look into E&O. E&O, I think kind of similar with what UMS. Okay, they are both very, very similar. So today up, okay, volume still a bit low. Okay, volume still a bit low. Okay, I think later afternoon we should see a clearer one. But so far, the SAP is there already. Okay, I think yesterday also I do a short video on UMS and E&O. You can check out. I explained the SAP, everything. Breaking out from reaccumulation, pullback. This is like a shakeout during the weak market we have last month. Pushing it back. Okay, I think the background shakeout is there. Okay, sorry. The background setup is there. Okay, so again, my S1 somewhere around here, around RM1. Okay, probably this is the area that you want to watch out. Okay, for potential stop loss, or maybe you want to look for low risk entry. Okay, who knows, right? Maybe next week KLSE profit taking and all this will going back to support, okay, which is allow us to look for a nice low risk entry as well. Okay, let's look into Tiangnam Logics. Okay, I'll look into some of my stock also. Like I want to know how my success, Fiamma all is doing. Okay, just now we look into Cup Point already. Okay, nice. So okay, now Tiangnam Logics, like I say, okay, this one actually similar like what KSSC, if I can recall. Okay, KSSC. The set is nice, but just that volume still a bit funny because sometimes it come with active volume, sometimes come with inactive volume. Now the problem with this kind of stock is that sometimes sell is damn difficult during the quiet market. So okay, let's look into weekly. Let's look into weekly. Wow, weekly is so good. The weekly chart is so good. Okay, okay, I use this gap area lah. Wow, okay. But weekly volume still very low lah. I'm not sure about this week lah. Today is Thursday already still a bit weak. Okay, so looks like this counter is Tiangnam Logistics all this while is not that popular, so maybe it's a bit inactive right now. Okay, now if you ask me, right, this is a long-term shakeout. Okay, this is a long-term shakeout. Okay, so again, same things here. Whenever you see this kind of big shooting star, chart normally we do shakeout. Okay, if next few weeks holding well around here. I think it's 80 over cents area. Okay, like this. Like MIG, I know MIG, the long term also doing shakeout, right? I think they got a chance to hit resistance. Yeah, this one is very similar with MIG. But MIG volume is a bit obvious. This one not, okay, in weekly chart. So that's why I think maybe we want to watch out for a few more weeks. Okay, so again, shakeout. Okay, now I got around 20 people over here right now. Can you let me know? Okay, do you understand what is shakeout or not? If yes, type A. If not, type B. Okay, shakeout. Okay, I put it as O lah. Okay, shakeout is very useful when the stock is in sideways. Okay, sometimes when you trade sideways, it's a bit boring, right? You don't know when the stock will push. Okay, breaks up. Like previously we trade MTech lah. Okay, damn boring one. But if the stock come with shakeout, okay, I can say I predict it would be faster, but normally you have certain action. Okay, like MYEG lah, Rand Hill lah, all this type. Okay. So, okay, Roslan say A. Okay, thank you. Kevin B. Tommy A. Okay, so how about others? Okay, Wong say A. Jasmine say B. Okay, so okay, don't worry. Okay, from time to time, if you join my this live Facebook over here, I will explain. Okay, shakeout is something that actually they are trading below support level. The main purpose is to remove weak holders. Okay, because sometimes when they want to push the price up, okay, I'm an operator, of course. The resistance is too strong. Okay, especially like this kind of shooting star, high volume, false breakout, gaps. Okay, they are too strong already. So they have to remove those weak holders, which is those that a bit panic one, right? Hit resistance, I sell those type. They remove in this area. Price is cheap. They collect. Okay, collect slowly lah. Normally operator, if let's say they got time one, they don't support one day because support one day price will shoot up, and of course it's easy to detect lah. So what they do after they done all this ready, they will try back, okay, resistance level. So this is what it means by shakeout. All right. So okay, welcome Roslan. So like I said, so from time to time, if I got this kind of interesting setup, okay, I will share. So yeah, if for me, Dongnan, yes, they are doing long-term shakeout. Okay, but one thing is that the volume sometimes a bit illiquid. So during the so-called quiet days, sometimes it's a bit difficult to sell. Now it kind of similar like KSSC. Okay, KSSC is not shakeout, but they are doing reversal with pullback. So here, reversal, high volume, first pullback, second pullback. Okay, but volume probably I need to monitor for few more so-called few more weeks. Okay, to see whether the volume consistently coming in or not. Okay, because if I'm aiming to this main resistance over here, now it's 1 ringgit to 1.6 I still got 60% to go. Okay, I still got 60% to go. Okay, again, I'm not sure. I just heard. I just heard. This one seems like got someone still interested. Okay, so that's why I still thinking I'm watching. Okay, I still thinking of watching. Okay, just that if let's say the volume come in more consistently, probably I will look into it. Okay, so again, just a sharing lah. So okay, Tionglam Logistic sign. Okay, sign. Let's enter signature as well. Okay, signature as well. Wow. Okay, now this one also lah. Long-term shakeout lah. Weekly chart. Ayo, this one goes up. Never mind lah. Okay, long-term shakeout lah. Okay, over here. Okay, this is period support, drop, pushing it back. Okay, now today cross this already. The next one probably want to watch out this level. Okay, probably want to watch out this level. Okay, I'll look into Tasco and ATMMS. Okay, so yeah, right now still got momentum. Okay, of course they are hitting this resistance already. So if you want to, like I said, you can lock some profit. Okay, you can lock some profit. Check out daily chart. Make sure they don't form any like shooting star sign. Okay, like for example, here goes up, drop, volume increasing or high is some things that probably it will cause some like deeper pullback. Okay, so far it's good but again, very close with the period resistance, so good to lock a little bit of profits. Okay, that's my opinions. Okay, now let's get into Tasco. Okay. Oh, Tasco good yesterday. Casey. Casco. Okay, let's look into weekly first. Okay, this one also doing a so-called like a reaccumulation. Okay, of course, I think the shakeout zone is somewhere around here. This is all the previous 9 support level. This one shakeout yet to complete. Okay, shakeout yet to complete. But if you want, you can enter first, because I know KC usually like to do long term, right? Usually like doing shakeout, just like Dongnan the shakeout can take years one. Okay, here break. Sorry, here retest. Maybe here also retest before break. Okay, probably will take another few more months. But for me, yeah, they are likely to do shakeout because here low volume. Okay, I do see some up bar with increasing volume on weekly chart. Okay, so if let's say I go back to daily chart. Okay, so far so good today. If let's say low volume, okay, I think the setup still pretty okay, pretty okay. Or maybe you can trade along here to this resistance here, the R2 level. All right, so far right now, first hour volume low. I like it. I like that. 85. Okay, 85 cents. It's a pretty good idea to look for a pullback setup entry. All right. So okay, now let's look into ATMS. Okay, probably I go for last one, then I go for my trade signal. If got anything, then we'll end our section. Okay, so ATMMS, this is also a long-term shakeout as well. So bigly, not that obvious. Okay, never mind. I go back to daily. Okay, daily over here, short-term wise, doing a reversal. But if you look into, okay, never mind. I removed this, a bit confusing. So yeah, this one is I think more clearer. Okay, so we do have first shakeout, second shakeout. Okay, against maybe it will hit here. Okay, this R2 level. Okay, this level over here. Okay, I think possible. Okay, I think possible. Okay, again here, I think somewhere 10%. This is around 32 cents, right? Currently, let's check. 32 cents, okay, to R2 is 36.5 cents, okay, around that. So yeah, I think 10 over percent you probably can try, okay, to the next resistance level. All right, so this is again another shakeout patterns, okay, for ATMMS. Okay, let's look into some trade signal. Sorry, let's look into my pullback signal. If I got anything new? Okay, Notion. I just saw Notion, right? Okay, Notion anyway is pretty good. I probably will focus Notion later on. Okay, PIE. Okay, again continuation trend. But this one no news yet, right? No good news yet, right? Later on, maybe we'll same like VS Tech a good news come in. Notion is pretty good. Okay, actually, I didn't aware yesterday Notion come with a nice up bar. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Yesterday, I actually also a bit scared to enter because market's too hot already. Pullback can happen anytime. So that's why, yeah, like I say, try to enter some things that very close with support level. This is a bit, yeah, this is a bit close with resistance already. Okay, MN holding. I'll do that later on once I finish my pullback signal here. Red tone. Red tone also doing shakeout. Okay, red tone also doing shakeout. Today, let's see whether it can complete shakeout or not. Okay, so here support break. Okay, but okay lah, low to average volume lah. If today cross with higher volume, then it's nice. Okay, so this is a potential shakeout stock. Okay, park your alerts around that. Okay, you can park your alerts around 98 cents maybe, or you can park your alerts on your volume. If let's say they cross certain volume, it can notify you. Usually I do that. Okay, to ensure that okay I aware okay what is going on. Okay, so it compile okay, nothing much. Gadang. Okay. Gadang not bad as well. Oh, the other one is Fajar. I forgot to mention. Fajar not bad. I like that also. Okay, HT Padu. Okay, okay lah. No much movement, but still fine for me. PIE, MMG, WMG, Ramso. Hey, this one macam not bad also. Long period reaccumulation. This is WMG. Okay, nothing much from the list here today. I think Notion is the one that I will watch out, but slightly close with the resistance. Okay, now last one before I close. Oh yeah, I will look into M Holding and Kuskapi. Okay, so the other one is Fajar. Okay, Fajar, I think they're doing shakeout also. Okay, no shakeout lah, but this is like a retest. Okay, yesterday high volume. Okay, break above this so-called area here. Okay, and now trying around this support level. So I think it's like 34 cents. Okay, 34 cents. Of course, main support will be 32 cents lah. Okay, 32 cents. So this one set up also nice. Okay, building after they break above the resistance. Okay, let's go into Holding. Two more before we end our section here. So again, if you enjoy my section, okay, if you like my usual morning section over here, one thing, okay, appreciate, can help me to share this out. Click the like buttons. Okay, join my Telegram. Okay, for more daily discussion. All right. So currently, we actually have this so-called campaign. Okay, if you recommend 10 friends, okay, using your code, okay, make sure you get your codes to your 10 friends. Okay, you actually can get 50 ringgits of this Touch and Go voucher. Okay, of course, when you recommend friend, you also will get the credit as well, 5 credits. So actually, you can use that to convert into your monthly subscription for XIFU apps too. Okay, now let's look into Holding. Okay, yesterday break with high volume. Okay, today pullback. Okay, so far this first hour here, volume is not that high for me. Okay, I think still fine, but I think they will probably retest back somewhere around this support level, 70 cents. Okay, so far I cannot comment much because yesterday breakout is good, to be frank with you. But today, as long as it dropped below volume, I think it's still okay. It's the first day of pullback. Okay, so it's need to ensure the volume is low. Previously, we also got a shakeout over here. Okay, before the break. Okay, so for me, currently still okay. Right, probably later on around 3 or 4 p.m. you can ask me in my Telegram lah. Okay, maybe got any changes or not. Okay, let's get into Kuskapi. Last one before we end. Okay, Kuskapi also good momentum. Okay, good momentum. Actually, I don't see any sign of weakness lah. Okay, if you are riding, you still can ride. But if you are looking for entry, make sure you need to check your support level lah. Okay, currently at resistance, the closest resistance. So let's say drop here, probably you will incur some losses. Okay, so no weakness right now. Okay, not sure you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, if looking for entry, risk to reward not so ideal. Okay, so maybe what you can do, focus back into hourly. Okay, hourly use the 20 MA or 40 MA as your potential stop loss level. Okay, so that's the things that I think I can share. Okay, for Kuskapi. Okay, the other one is CSGP. Okay, let's see lah, CSGP lah. This one also trending lah. Okay, but I'm not sure lah. I heard this one still can go lah. Okay, I heard this one still can go lah. Okay, same things lah. If you're interested, now trending stock is like that lah. So you use hourly chart. Okay, COC. Okay, anyone know COC? If yes, type A. If not, type B. Okay, if you know about COC, type A. If you don't know about COC, type B. COC, what it means is cluster closes. It's a combination of 3 candles with low volume. Normally, it's good to use it in trending stock. Okay, to ensure the trend is still healthy. All right, so this is normally what I do. If let's say I want to trade trending stocks, I look hourly chart, I look for COC. Okay, now example of COC here is C low volume, right? Here, low volume. Here, low volume. Here, low volume. Can go up or not, I don't know. But normally, this representing the trend is still intake, is still healthy. Okay, but doesn't mean it's 100% successful lah. Okay, what I do is that normally I will see the first, second pullback lah. I use COC lah. Third, fourth pullback, you know, most of the time it will make a big drop one lah, right? This is market cycle lah, how it works. So let's say I goes, okay, for those CSGP and other trending one, I think Sign also, you can actually get that easily. Okay, Jasmine say B, Rostan say B. Okay, don't worry. maybe moving forward, I got more example I can share about COC. Useful technique, okay, for trending stocks, okay. So, well, for example, here when the stock started to goes up, okay, you can notice here a combination of few candles, low volumes, okay. So here we believe also got some, okay, like here got some uh, low volume candles, okay. Recently here also we got some low volume candles, okay. So all right, with this, once again, thank you for joining me, okay. If tomorrow I got time, I would continue to do this 9:30 section, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.